Of course, there are entities that are purporting to represent the health workers in the county of Nairobi who have said that they have called for a strike, and we are not aware of any such strikes. And in any event of any strike, what we would expect is a strike notice by an entity that is recognized by the county, because such entities have what we call the recognition agreement with the counties. So far, we don't have any notice from a recognized union or entity that is representing the interests of the workers in the health department. And therefore, we believe that this kind of action is just not only disrupting services, but it's also endangering the lives of the patients out there. Whereas the county respects the right of the workers to be represented, but it is important to be in bodies that have recognition agreement. And we want to say that, one, as we speak, there are 106 facilities out there of the county government that are in place, and we just want to advise those workers who may have received such an alarming false alert that is coming from unauthenticated sources to report to their workstations and to continue to offer the services that they're meant to offer. There are no facilities of the county of Nairobi that are closed as we speak. Every facility is operational, and we continue to address issues and that have been raised in the past in trying to improve the working environment of our workers, in trying to reduce the burden of the increased demand for our health services. And you saw recently we increased our workforce in the health department by 226 workers being injected into the health sector. And that shows you that we are responding to the challenges that we believe our institutions face. As a county of Nairobi, we pride ourselves in having ensured in the last 2 years that we've been in government, and having ensured that we have adequate drugs, and you've not heard of any shortage of drugs in our hospitals. You've seen increased bed capacity in some of our institutions like Mbagathi, Pumwani, and you continue to experience quality services from our health institutions, from Amalusi. And so we want to believe that as we continue to improve the health services that we deliver to the Nairobians, such disruptions just are totally unnecessary. The county government is committed to seeking new and innovative ways of addressing the issues or the areas that workers need an improvement, and that is no doubt our focus, and that is why we continue to improve on the numbers of doctors and nurses we've got. We continue to look at the grading of the doctors that we have, with a view to revise their grades for purposes of motivating the workers that we have. And that is a continuous process, and that's what is expected of us.